Base and quote currencies. In Forex trading, currencies are always traded in pairs. Each currency pair consists of two components, the base currency and the quote currency. This pairing shows the relative value of one currency compared to another. The base currency is the first currency in a currency pair. It represents the currency you are buying or selling. Example, in the pair euro and US dollar, the base currency is the euro. When you buy euro USD, you are buying euros and selling US dollars. The quote currency is the second currency in the pair. It shows how much of this currency you need to buy 1 unit of the base currency. Example, in the pair the euro and US dollar, the quote currency is the US dollar. If the euro and US dollar is priced at 1.2000, it means 1 euro equals 1.20 US dollars. How base and quote currencies work together. In Forex, the currency pair tells you the exchange rate between the two currencies. The exchange rate is the price at which one currency can be exchanged for another. It tells you how much of the quote currency is needed to buy 1 unit of the base currency. Exchange rates fluctuate constantly due to market demand, economic factors, and geopolitical events. Example, the euro and US dollar exchange rate is 1.2000 means 1 euro is worth 1.20 US dollars. If the rate rises to 1.2500, the euro has become stronger, and now 1 euro equals 1.25 US dollars. So, when trading, you buy the pair if you think the base currency will increase against the quote. You sell the pair if you think the base currency will decrease against the quote. Here is real-world example. Let's use the pair British pound and US dollar. If British pound and US dollar equals 1.3500, it means 1 British pound equals 1.35 US dollars. If you think the British pound will rise against the US dollar, you would buy GBP USD. If the exchange rate later moves to 1.4000, your trade is profitable, because now 1 British pound equals 1.40 US dollars, meaning your base currency, GBP, has appreciated. So, always remember, the exchange rate is crucial in Forex because it determines how much profit or loss a trader makes when buying or selling currency pairs. That's base and quote currency. Thank you for watching. Stay awesome and keep tuning in. See you in the next video.